About 13 years ago, a guy who used to struggle for even a single subscriber is now the biggest YouTuber in the world. We are talking about MrBeast, who was recently offered $1 billion to sell his YouTube channel, approximately 8,542 Indian rupees crore in Indian currency. But he rejected the offer, simply because he didn't want to work under anyone else and preferred to create content on his own terms. Today, his main channel MrBeast has surpassed even T-Series with over 340 million subscribers, making it the most subscribed YouTube channel globally. MrBeast's journey wasn't easy. It's full of struggles, failures, and moments where he almost gave up. Let's go back to the beginning, to 1998, in Kansas, USA, where James Stephen Donaldson was born into a middle-class family. No one could have imagined that this boy, who his mother lovingly called Jimmy, would one day become the world's most popular YouTuber. Jimmy was never interested in studies and realized this early in life. Instead of forcing himself into academics, he decided to pursue his passion. He enrolled in a university, but dropped out just 2 weeks later, because he had no interest in studying. This upset his mother, especially since she was a single parent raising Jimmy and his brother CJ. After her divorce in 2007, like any parent, she wanted Jimmy to get a secure job and settle down. But Jimmy calmly explained his dreams and convinced her he wouldn't fail. Eventually, she began supporting him. In 2012, Jimmy created his first YouTube channel, although this wasn't the MrBeast we know today. His actual first channel was a gaming channel called Beast 5 Thai, where he posted gaming-related content. However, in an effort to grow, he used the sub-for-sub method, where 2 users subscribed to each other. This wasn't a sustainable or organic method for real growth. Jimmy quickly realized that this wouldn't get him real views or help him become a major creator. So he deleted the channel and started fresh. He then created MrBeast 6000, the channel we know today. In the beginning, he uploaded gaming commentary videos, mostly around Minecraft and Call of Duty. What he didn't realize then was how long and difficult this journey would be. Between 2012 and 2017, Jimmy uploaded 300 to 400 videos, but none went viral for years. He was making around 100 videos a year without much reward, which shows how committed he was. In 2013, he began experimenting and made a series roasting YouTuber intros. That format helped grow his audience, and by 2015, he had around 5,000 subscribers. In 2016, he uploaded a unique video where he counted from 1 to 10,000, which got good engagement and pushed him to 10,000 subscribers. This was when he really began studying YouTube's algorithm and user behavior. At that time, there weren't many creators doing such unique and bold ideas. By the end of 2017, he reached 1 million subscribers. That same year, he uploaded another major video where he gave $100 to a homeless man, a completely new and emotional concept for YouTube at the time. This video showcased not just his creativity, but also his kind personality. He followed up with more donation videos, including one where he donated $30,000 to random Twitch streamers. That concept, giving large super chats or surprising streamers, was started by MrBeast and is still followed today. What made him stand out was that his videos didn't depend on trends. They were evergreen. Even today, those old videos still feel fresh. He later recreated his counting video, this time counting to 200,000, proving that even after becoming successful, he still put in the same hard work. His thumbnails also started evolving, using bright colors and designs to grab attention. He mastered the art of creating click-worthy thumbnails, which helped his videos stand out among thousands. Jimmy also focused on audience retention, one of the most important metrics for viral videos. He started revealing exciting parts of his videos right at the beginning to keep viewers hooked. This became one of the keys to his channel's growth. He continued to make high-risk, high-reward videos, from tipping delivery drivers $10,000 to giving away massive cash prizes, all of which required huge investments. Eventually, some people accused him of faking money or not giving away real prizes. MrBeast quickly debunked these allegations with solid proof and transparency, showing that everything was genuine. By 2021, MrBeast had become a well-known figure. But it was his real-life Squid Game video that gave him global recognition. The video got more views than even Netflix's own Squid Game, The Challenge, proving the massive reach and impact of his content. After that, his videos began getting millions of views from around the world. He started launching regional language channels, including MrBeast Hindi for the Indian audience. In 2021, he had 50 million subscribers, and in just 1 year, he added another 50 million, hitting 100 million subscribers by 2022. An incredible and rare milestone. Today, his main channel has over 340 million subscribers, making him the #1 YouTuber in the world. Yet despite all the fame, MrBeast remains humble and down to earth. He's also a smart entrepreneur, having launched 2 successful businesses, MrBeast Burger and Feastables chocolate, which generate millions in revenue. This makes him not just the biggest creator, but also one of the richest. Recently, he collaborated with Cristiano Ronaldo. Today, MrBeast is an inspiration to millions of aspiring YouTubers. He proves that no matter where you come from, with passion, consistency, and hard work, anything is possible. You may not get instant success, but your determination will one day become the reason for your greatness. Split to 2 parts.